Moving naturally between different shots in your projects is an important part of video editing. You want to make sure your transitions engage your audience while making everything feel fluid. That's where these Final Cut Pro transitions are here to help you out. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 awesome effects you can apply and use today. All of the Final Cut Pro transitions featured today are on Envato Elements. If you spot something you like, check the links in the description to get started. And it's about time for us to transition. Let's look at 10 of the best Final Cut Pro transitional effects. Coming in first is the Ultimate Transitions Pack for Final Cut Pro. It's a massive bundle of over 200 effects across 21 different categories. The variable length lets you play with how the transition looks and how long it sticks around for. Speaking of looks, this set has up to 4K resolution for some of the most modern displays. And if you're new to Final Cut, the included video tutorial will help you get through the editing process. Glitch effects look as fresh as ever in this glitch pack. These transitions work for business video, social media promos, and much more. Choose from HD and 4K resolution effects and add them to your project. These work without any plugins needed, so you can start using them straight away. Typo Scenes turn your text into dynamic transitions. There are 48 animated scenes included here, and they're all different. Whether you're making a video for a fashion show, slideshow, or social media post, you'll be able to use these Final Cut Pro effects. This Final Cut Pro toolkit is next up on our list. It's a massive bundle coming in at more than 1,400 transitions and sound effects. It doesn't stop there though. On top of those transitions, you'll also get light leaks, color presets, and much more. It's like a one-stop shop for effects and add-ons. Does your video need effects that are both light and fluid? Then check out the Liquid Transitions Pack. These cartoon-style transitions are all hand-animated, a process that really shines through in the results. These effects are perfect for commercials, presentations, and other video projects. Let's continue the cartoon theme with the Funny Transitions. It's a wonderful bundle of fun and cute transitional effects. There are a total of 10 hand-drawn effects that can spice up any video. From chill and smoky to bold and fiery, there are some transitional effects here you definitely need in your Final Cut Pro asset library. Here's a pack that's sure to turn some heads. The name Slice Transitions is pretty straightforward, but the results are anything but ordinary. Just drag and drop the transition you want on your timeline. From there, you can customize the length and effect. On top of these features, you'll get 10 logo transitions thrown in there too. These Final Cut Pro effects really are useful when editing. They're all about giving a contemporary look and feel. The transitions here are truly customizable. You can adjust the length, stack, and combine effects for a tailor-made style. With over 300 combinations, you get to try out. Draw your audiences in with these interesting zoom transitions. This bundle has over 30 effects to choose from, and if you're new to video editing, you'll find the included video tutorial really helpful. You can use this pack if you have Final Cut Pro versions 10.2 or above. This last effects bundle combines stylish light leaks with creative transitions, and it does it all at an incredible 4K resolution. You'll get over 100 transitions to choose from, and the creator used real light leaks and lens flares, so your results will always look authentic. And that's it for our list of the best Final Cut Pro transitions. Like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel if you want to see even more videos like these. You'll get notified about our latest roundups and training videos all on Final Cut Pro and much more. If you want to try any of these transitions, go ahead and click the links down in the description where you can download whichever you like from Envato Elements.